The Great Wall of China is more than a famous landmark. It's a living symbol of China's history and resilience. It's not a single wall, but a network of fortifications stretching across mountains, deserts, and grasslands. Built by millions over centuries, it stands as a testament to human determination and sacrifice. The wall's purpose was clear: to protect the Chinese Empire from invasion. Its scale is staggering, winding for thousands of miles and blending into the landscape like a stone dragon. While it's often said to be visible from space, its true impact is felt on the ground, where it connects past and present. Today, the Great Wall is a source of national pride and a magnet for visitors worldwide. People come to walk its ancient stones, marvel at its engineering, and witness breathtaking views. The wall bridges cultures and eras, teaching us about the challenges of the past. It inspires with its enduring strength and the story it tells in every stone. The Great Wall is more than a relic. It's a story written in stone, waiting to be discovered. It reminds us of what people can achieve together. The wall's legacy endures, inviting all to explore its history. The Great Wall was built as a shield against northern invaders like the Mongols and Xiongnu. It wasn't just a wall, but a complex defense system with watchtowers, fortresses, and barracks. Soldiers stationed along the wall could spot threats from miles away, using the high vantage points. The wall also served as a protected route for moving troops and supplies quickly. Construction materials varied: rammed earth in the plains, stone in the mountains, and bricks during the Ming Dynasty. Sticky rice mortar made the Ming Wall especially strong and durable. The wall's path follows the land's natural contours, climbing steep ridges and crossing deserts. This adaptability made it even harder to breach. The wall's engineering is a marvel, blending human ingenuity with the landscape. It was a massive military project, but also a symbol of unity and ambition. The sight of the wall snaking over mountains is a stunning reminder of what people can build. It was both a barrier and a highway, shaping the fate of the Chinese Empire. The Great Wall's defenses were as much about psychology as physical strength. It defined the border and deterred would-be invaders. The wall's legacy as a shield endures to this day. The Great Wall's story began before China was unified. Rival states built early walls to defend their borders from each other and northern tribes. These first walls, made of earth and wood, set the stage for what would come. Qin Shi Huang, China's first emperor, united these walls in 221 BC, creating a single defensive line. Hundreds of thousands labored under harsh conditions to build it. Later dynasties repaired, extended, or neglected the wall, depending on their priorities. The Han Dynasty pushed the wall west to protect Silk Road trade routes. The wall's importance rose and fell with each new ruler. The Ming Dynasty rebuilt the wall on a grand scale, using stone and brick after expelling the Mongols. This era produced the iconic sections we see today, with thousands of watchtowers and fortresses. The wall became stronger and more sophisticated than ever before. Its construction spanned nearly 2,000 years, reflecting China's changing needs. The Great Wall is a timeline in stone, chronicling the rise and fall of dynasties. Its enduring presence tells the story of a nation's evolution. The Great Wall was a living military zone, manned by thousands of soldiers. Life on the wall was tough. Soldiers endured isolation and harsh weather as they guarded the frontier. Communication was key. Smoke signals by day and fire by night relayed urgent messages across vast distances. This ancient signaling system acted like a telegraph, speeding news to the capital. The wall also controlled trade and movement, with guarded gates regulating who could pass. Merchants on the Silk Road paid taxes and had their goods inspected at these checkpoints. The wall helped manage immigration, defining the boundary between China and the nomadic world. It was more than a barrier. It was a filter, shaping cultural and economic exchange. The wall marked not just a political border, but a cultural one. It separated settled agricultural China from the steppes beyond. The Great Wall's role in trade and security shaped the destiny of the empire. Its influence reached far beyond the stones themselves. Today, the Great Wall's military role is gone, but its cultural significance is greater than ever. Recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, it stands as a symbol of China's resilience and ingenuity. Millions visit restored sections each year, walking where emperors and soldiers once stood. The wall offers breathtaking views and a tangible link to the past. Tourism helps fund preservation, ensuring the wall endures for future generations. The Great Wall reveals the power and organization of ancient China. Its construction tells of the challenges and ambitions that shaped a nation. The wall is a living chronicle of history, etched into the landscape. More than a barrier, it now brings people together from around the world. The Great Wall inspires with its story of perseverance and unity. Its legacy continues, reminding us that great achievements can unite humanity.